In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom fields. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Custom. From the drop-down menu, choose Fields. You should arrive at your TeamWork 5 Custom Fields page. Now I can create new custom fields. But first I need to decide which area of TeamWork 5 I want this field to apply to. To do that, click the arrow under Fields. I can choose to create a custom field for an employee, a station, a client, a location, a user, or an enterprise. I'm going to choose Station. Listed under Station, you can see I already have a few custom fields created. To create a new custom field, select the position you want this field to appear in. So I could have this field appear first, or I could have it appear after these other fields. I will go ahead and leave this in the first slot. Then give your custom field a name. I'm going to say Station Custom Field, and I'm going to say blank. Then decide what type of answer you want to provide in this custom field. If you leave this blank and you don't fill out anything else, next to the name of the custom field will be a blank box that you can fill in with whatever information you want. Otherwise, you could put values in here. If I wanted to select a yes or no, I could, under values, put yes and no. You want to put each answer on its own line under values. Input type is another option. If I click the arrow next to that, I could choose to create custom fields that are dates. So I select a date in that section, or that are numbers, and I can choose a number. I'll go ahead and leave this blank. The third option is to create a pattern. To do this, you need to do HTML5 code. That's something you can look up or create a help ticket for. If you're happy with your new custom field, click Save. Now this custom field has been saved. This custom field is under Station. To view your custom field, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork, and choose Station from the drop-down menu. Next, select a station. When you select a station, an employee, a location, a user, or the enterprise, any of the options that you had to create custom fields for, you will be taken to their information page that'll look something like this. If I scroll down, you can see my 4 custom fields. The first one is the one that we created. That one is blank, so I can type anything I want to in here. Maybe I'll put test. The second custom field is one of the answers. So this is one where under the values section, I put 2 different answers on 2 different lines. So if I click the arrow next to Station Custom Field, pick one, I can choose yes, no, or to leave this blank. I'll pick yes. The third option is the Station Custom Field Date. If I click this box, I can choose to enter a date in here. Maybe I'll do April 19th, 2000. And then we have the custom field number. If I click this arrow, I can choose 1, 2, or I can highlight this and enter in my own number. If you're happy with your answers to these custom fields, click Save. A green save bar will appear next to the Save button, letting you know when you last saved this information page. That's how you can add and view custom fields in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete custom fields.